Kerrie and Spence drew the study, but Kerrie struggled all day to reproduce the styling that was demonstrated by the judges.
I'm just not sure, hun. Have you got anything that works better than that? No. Having a creative breakdown.
Well, at least they found the perfect desk.
That's definitely it. That's
definitely
spot
it.
on.
And we all know what happened there.
I hope they walk in and go, I like it. They've listened to us.
You know what? I am so glad Kerrie and Spence have done this challenge. Because if they delivered this as a room for judging, I would have said, were you listening? I've got to say, and I'm really sad about this, I didn't have a lot of good to say about your room. I felt like there was too many different styles. The light that you put in and the cane basket were more sort of really beach, but not St Kilda beach. And I think scaling back is something you're really going to have to think about.
I'm not a stylish person. So understanding what style is sometimes is a bit of a...
Well done.